Adobe, really?
Yeah, Adobe.
Thinking myself lad.
Are we just gonna let Jane do this?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, open up Adobe, and if you don't, then you're a phony.
Really?
Make a new project and make it your mindset. The song can make you happy, that's a bet. Have all your videos, make sure you're all set. Let me tell you something about the tools. Let me give you a message and tell you use a selection. If you want to drag stuff, that's just a suggestion. There are just a little bit of rules, it's pretty cool.
Okay.
If you don't control S, then you are a fool. Listen to me, you can control Z. If you make a mistake, that's all you need. And when you're all done, I hope you had fun. If you need some more, export it in H.264.
Adobe!
Adobe. I can't breathe. That's the perfect one. Are you okay though?